What's up, guys? I was getting ready to go ahead and program this ESC to put the 7.4 volts to my servo. I was going to show you what I got on 6 volts though. She's noisy. It's a Holmes hobby, or Holmes. But I can oil that and make that go away a bit. That's plenty enough, really, 6 volt. Let's take it off the box, see what she does on the towel here. So we're going to go ahead and program it to 7.4 anyway. And see what's up with that. Alright. Says number 14 to 2. So let's go to number 14. I'm sure most of y'all already know how to do all this. So I'm just going to do it on video while I do it. Go to number 14 and then change it to number 2. And that's all I needed, so we're just going to hit OK. Alright, that should be set. So let's go ahead and turn it off, unplug it. And turn it back on. See what we got here. Plenty enough. I don't really see a big difference, but I can hear there's some difference in there. Let's go ahead and prop her up a little bit. She works. I don't know if it didn't use extra juice, but we're going to run it that way. See what's up. Alright guys, back here again. I'm debating on taking these little tiny tires off this RC4WD drive chassis and going ahead and putting these. They're not much bigger. I mean, let's see here. I mean, they're bigger, of course. Same tires. I actually think these are a 1.9 rim, but they're horrible. I need a little bit of weight in here. These tires work great. The tires do just fine, but I just want a little bit of weight. And these are the RC4WD drive stamped steel bead locks. Same tread. It's the ones I got on my brother-in-law's truck right now. I'm going to put the Traxxas tires back on it. These got the built-in hub and everything. You don't have to have the hex, which I guess it's okay. Works for me. I need to at least try one, see what it looks like. Alright, that gives you a little bit of size comparison there. They're definitely get a little bit bigger, but not a massive amount. They're not as big as the Traxxas tires are. They definitely look better on there. No, yeah, I don't think they'll be too big either. Matter of fact, they're going to look good. Yeah, we decided we're going to put these. We'll put the Chevy Traxxas wheels back on this Blazer. Even though those look better. Give me a little weight, but I need something on that other truck. What you looking at? So we're gonna. These are just a little bit too big to go back onto that trail finder. These are happy medium, I guess. Not quite as big as these. So we'll do that. All right, got the old wheels back on there. Now that looks good. Actually looks like a Wrangler's supposed to look. I cut down the trim so they wouldn't rub on my leaf springs, of course. Plenty enough just for flipping. But if I go and turn them too much, they'll hit the springs. So Luckily on this one here, you got your left and right trim. They can be separate, forward and reverse separate. But anyway, I'm gonna take her out for a rip. I think she looks good. Until I get me a hard body to put on here, then I'll go back down to the small wheels once I get a Toyota body. I would rather have the RC4WD drive Chevy body, but having this Blazer, it just seems like it's so much bigger than the hard body would be. This actually looks pretty good right now, I ain't gonna lie. I like it. Got a little mud on there the other day. But yeah, we'll have to just take her for a spin later. But I got the trim turned way down. I can adjust that up on once I get rolling down the road. And she gets a good little bit of flex, not a whole lot. It's not bad for what it is. She definitely looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. I still got to get some mounts up top here for the body. I had it Velcroed. It did all right. Yeah, there you go. Let me shut her down. We're gonna see what that 7.4 volts does. I don't really put it in too many spots where I need it. Alright guys, I was just gonna end the video, but I decided to take this out before it gets dark and just cruise it around a minute. Alright, I just wanted to come out for a minute and before it got all the way dark on me. I say I got my steering trim turned down pretty good so it won't rub my springs. Let me turn it up a little bit because of the bigger tires. Let's see what she'll do, I don't know, but I love this truck. I don't mind the leaf springs at all. They don't slow me down. I like it. Let's see what these tires will do. I forgot to double check all my screws are tight. The body's not even mounted right now. The front's just sitting there. The Velcro on the back's the only thing holding it. I hadn't really been out here in a while to do anything. My mower was out of gas. I hadn't went and gotten none. Now I do know the smaller tires, being the same tread as these, the smaller ones I think actually perform better than these. At least they have on my other trucks. We're gonna find out on this truck. You hear how heavy this thing is. Thump. And wait till it gets a hard body on it. It's really gonna be heavy. But I'm hoping Santa Claus will bring me, I'm actually wanting the 4Runner body, I think, more than the Toyota. Just because I got the Back to the Future action figure coming, I don't really care that it's the Back to the Future truck so much. I think if I had the 4Runner with the top that came off, it'd be cooler. Because it's a short wheelbase, obviously. I can't put the extended cab. And if I do the true Back to the Future truck, it's got to be an extended cab. And I don't like the short cab ones because the doors don't even open on the ones I've seen. So I'd rather have the 4Runner where the doors and interior and all that stuff. This truck's actually a pretty damn good truck. I've said that before. I do like having the option to tune my ESC as well. That's pretty cool. Sorry, I was tuning on my trim a little bit there. It could be the foam in the tires that make them not as good. Being bigger, that's got to help. Again, that's because I got my trim turned down, because the tires will they'll rub the leaf springs. So I got them turned down right now. Oh, it's got a catch-all going on there. There we go. There. Wasn't even sure if it'd go up that. It's pretty steep. Did it with the short tires, so I'm gonna do it again. Come CC out to play. We ain't ran in a while together. It's a very capable truck for a leaf spring truck. Well, it don't look so dark on the video, but it's pretty dark outside right now, so guess we're gonna have to wrap it up. Got a catch-all there. The drag brake kicks in instantly though. It's a nice slow truck. I need a light kit, but I've been just waiting on a body first. I mean, I've got some lights in there. I just ain't got no solid kit. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go on in the house where it gets the rest of the way dark. Please like and subscribe. Till next time, peace.